Packing efficiently makes travel smoother and stress-free. Maximizing luggage space is essential, whether you're heading on a quick weekend getaway or a long international trip. Using the right folding techniques can help fit more clothes while keeping them wrinkle-free and organized. Start by choosing lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics whenever possible. Thick materials take up unnecessary space, so opt for breathable, flexible clothing that can be layered if needed. One of the most effective folding techniques is the rolling method. Lay a shirt flat, fold in the sleeves, then tightly roll it from the bottom up. This technique works for t-shirts, pants, and even undergarments. Rolling clothes not only saves space but also helps prevent deep creases. For bulkier items like sweaters or jackets, use the bundle wrapping method. Place smaller items, like socks or underwear, inside a larger garment and wrap everything together into a compact bundle. This method reduces air pockets and prevents excessive wrinkling. Another space-saving strategy is the compression packing method. Place folded clothes inside a compression bag, seal it, and remove excess air. These bags significantly reduce volume, allowing more items to fit inside the suitcase. For structured items like jeans or blazers, use the flat fold technique. Fold jeans in half lengthwise, then fold again into a rectangle to create a compact stack. For blazers, turn them inside out, fold the shoulders together, and tuck in the sleeves before placing them flat in your luggage. When arranging clothes in a suitcase, place heavier items at the bottom and lighter garments on top. Use small gaps for accessories, socks, and toiletries. Shoes should be placed in a separate bag along the suitcase edges to maximize space. Packing efficiently isn't just about fitting more. It's about staying organized and making unpacking easier. Using rolling, bundling, and compression techniques ensures every inch of luggage space is utilized. Smart folding techniques help maximize space while keeping clothes neat and ready to wear.